In this quick tutorial, I'll talk about how will you start writing bash scripts. In my previous videos, I have talked about what is bash, features of bash, and its use cases. Today, you will get introduced on how to write actual scripts and what are the steps before executing a script. So let us start. First, I will talk about what is bash script. You might already know what is a bash script, but in case you didn't know, let me explain. Bash script is a text file containing a sequence or series of commands that the user writes. The script is entirely written in born-again shell, in short bash scripting language. Bash script is used to automate tasks such as file manipulation, software installation, and server management. Also, users can customize their own working environments. Now, before writing the actual contents of a script, it is very important to select the suitable text editor for scripting. In this section, I'll talk about 3 most common text editors for bash scripting. First, I'll talk about Nano. Nano is the most user-friendly text editor, having extra features like word searching, replacing, and jumping. Also, it offers auto indentation, tab completion, and more advanced features. Talking about Vim, Vim is an open source text editor which is very strong and powerful for task automation and scripting purposes. Lastly, I'll talk about GNU Emacs. This text editor has a efficient command structure and allows plugins and configuration hacks. But for bash scripting, the most widely used one is Nano text editor. For creating a bash script, the first thing you would want to do is to set a naming convention. There are 3 important things to remember while naming a bash script. Bash scripts are case dependent, that is, a script having a name with all small letters and another one with all caps are 2 different bash scripts. Bash scripts can also have numbers along with letters. For example, bash1.sh and script4.sh are valid bash script names. Also, underscores are allowed in naming. For example, bash_1.sh is also a valid name. After you are done creating a text file and naming the script, it is time to write the actual script. In this section, I'll talk about the components of a bash script. Bash scripts start with the shebang line, which is the first line of any bash script. The shebang line is illustrated in the right image. That is, it starts with a hash tag followed by exclamation, then space, then /bin/bash. Here, /bin/bash represents the path to the bash interpreter. It specifies the bash interpreter what kind of script is going to be executed. After writing the shebang line, users will define their own set of commands. So this was all about writing bash scripts. I will demonstrate further examples and scripting commands in the upcoming videos. You can read the full article from our LinuxSimply blog site. The link to the article will be provided in the video description. Thanks for watching.